Yeah, so what's up with live? Yeah, let's get right straight into it. So this is the first one. This is Twom.app. And the idea of this is helps if you want to present, if you're trying to create a presentation for, if you're a student, business owner, you want to pitch, especially someone like me that pitches a lot. This is an amazing tool. It helps you make the process as seamless as possible. All you have to do is generate a prompt, and it basically will help you get started, right? It's free. Obviously, that's paid for version 2. So yeah, it is. Ideally, this is how it works. You basically say what do you want to pitch, and it gives you your presentation. It helps you post it out, and you can edit it how you want. You want to edit the text, you want to edit the image. It helps you do that easily. So let's try it out. Okay, so you click on try Chrome, you create your account, connect it with Google, and how you want to do it. It will help you do it. So right now, I want to create a Google. This is a Google presentation I created, but since it's with you, I want to create it again. Okay. Ideally, you have 500 credits for the free version, but you get typically about 75 credits per video or per pitch. So 75 credits is going to get taken for every pitch that you do or every presentation that you create. So that means you have about, give or take, a couple in a month. So creating an account, once you do that, it's going to take you to the dashboard where you can create your page. It works similarly to Canva or like Canva, where you can select from the templates, or if you want to create it for new or for free or from scratch, you can with the create button that you're going to see in a bit. Okay, so it's taking its time. So here we are, 350 credits left because I've created 2 already. Paid version, obviously, you get unlimited credits. So this is if you want to create from the templates, right? You just work from there, or you want to create from scratch, which is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be pitching Coca-Cola, right? I'm going to be creating a presentation on that, and how it works is you want to create an image, you want to create a page about, you want to document a presentation, or you want to create a presentation about. So we want to create a presentation. You click on the option, and it will ask you what we want to do. So let's see. Create a presentation about. So I'll select Coca-Cola. Okay. And seems my network is not so good. Okay, so Coca. So let's see. Let's bring it up. Come on. So what it did now is created the outline, introduction to Coca-Cola, the history, the impact on culture, the marketing strategy. You can edit it if you're not comfortable with it to change it. Then once you've done that, all you gotta do is click on continue, and it basically will create a presentation for you, which it's doing right now. Page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, every single thing. While you sit back and relax. Okay. Again, like I said, it takes 75 credits per presentation, so you only have a couple presentations with a free trial. I'm not sure if it's every month or if it's just for a month. So we're almost done. I'm going to be pitching it. So you see, so it's remaining 275 credits from 350 credits, AI credits that we add, and it's done. So let's check it out. Amazing visuals, by the way. So I'll go to the first page and just click play, and you get to present. So Facing Success, the story of Coca-Cola. And it talks about the outline, introduction, the history of Coca-Cola, the cultural impact, and if you want to edit it, right, cancel, of course. You move over, and you can edit, right? You can edit the text, and you can change the image as you want. So there you have it. Beautiful tool, Twom.app. You check it out. The next is Bard. Okay, so let me just copy this. Reset the charts. Reset. So the idea of Bard is Google created this as a direct competitor to ChatGPT. And the good thing about Bard is free, and also it has direct access to the internet, which is pretty cool in real time. ChatGPT also has access to the internet, but you have to get ChatGPT 4, which is for paid for subscription. However, they're both really good. I think the best is to use both of them together as opposed to selecting one or the other. And I will create a separate video comparing the two some other time. So let's check this out. I will select this prompt, which is give a list of 10 upcoming movies coming out after June 2023. Remember, with AI generative platforms like this, the more specific you are, the better the results, right? So try to be as specific as possible to get quality results. So let's see what this gives us. So give me a list of 10 upcoming movies coming out after June 2023. Let's see what it brings out. In a minute now. Okay, so already off the bat it's not very accurate because it's still giving me some movies that came out before June, which is Guardians of the Galaxy, and it's still, however, it's bringing out some good ones, which is Spider-Man. Of course, the Spider-Verse John came out March, Fastest came out May, Aquaman came out this. So it's still experimental phase. It's not 100% accurate, just like any AI tool, right? But however, it's left to you to fact check and make sure you get what it is that you're trying to get from this. So it's pretty good. It's just some mistakes, and I could say only movies after June 2023. So let's see what that's going to fix that up. Okay, let's see in a minute now. Okay, so it fixed it coming out after June. So this is June. It's still there. So I think it's not very accurate, or it's still in the experimental phase. Okay, so there we have it. Let's move over to video. So this app, beautiful. So this app allows you to create you know what, let me just show you. So no, this is not what I'm looking for. Let's see, let me go to the home page, right? It basically allows you to create multiple videos from a long form video. It's showing this because I'm already logged in, but the idea of it is, if you have a long form video, all you have to do is upload it, and it can give you clips for Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, everything. And it's very, very good in identifying the places where you make your points. So it's not just cutting videos randomly, right? It's selecting the places that prove, or the parts that have the main points that you've created in the video, the long form video, and it dices that, chops it up, resizes it for the platform, and gives it to you. It's quite an amazing tool. You have 5 minutes for free, and you got to pay for the rest. Okay, so ideally, what I wanted to do, I've created a video about this before, but let's review clips. This is a friend of mine, and I took a video from YouTube. So you can select a video directly from YouTube. I copy the link, or you upload it directly from your what's it called, from your device, whatever it is. So we've generated 5 chapters and 11 shots from your video. So let's see what it did. Come on. So let's see. This is the first one. Play.
The design of the Mercedes ML cabin was inspired by the W212 generation of the E-Class, and I would say it is beautiful, it is exquisite, and it is, like I said earlier, very executive. So you have very durable, high quality build materials right here in the cabin. I mean, we're talking about this beautiful wood trim right here. You have soft to touch leather that is very premium and very durable, and you have that all over the car. Even beautifully, you have a panel sunroof, which...
So you get a point. It talks about the cabin design. If we want to talk about the engine and the performance, it's focused. So the good thing I love about this is that
5-liter naturally aspirated V6 engine,
3.5 liter naturally aspirated,
6-speed automatic transmission.
well, this is quite amazing because it not just only cuts it, it also designs it by putting, like the text and the captions. It's a really, really, really good tool. Alright, I can select multiple designs if you want it to be this size, if you want it to be this particular size, and you can see different caption options. I think I'm in love with this. But it's quite good, right? So check it out. Okay, it's free of charge, and if you want to subscribe, which I think it's worth it, you should. So the what other tool are we in now? I think we're in the 4th, right? So this is Beethoven. So basically, if you want to create music, right, for your videos, right, video creator, podcaster, whatever it is, and you're looking for royalty-free video that fits the tool of what you're trying to create, this helps you, right? It's free of charge, and you get royalty-free, so you don't have to worry about getting struck down because you're using, someone else's music. So how it works basically is, you create an account, obviously, it's free of charge, sync it up, and it asks you for, so let me go back because I've created something. Just like a generative prompt, it asks you, what do you want to create? So, wacky stamp, right? Duration in minutes, 1 minute, maximum duration is 15 minutes. What's the tempo? Do you want slow, medium, or fast? I go for no. Let me try slow. I go there, then it asks what genre do you want. Currently, it doesn't have what genres. I really wish they had that for beats, but it doesn't have that yet. So it selects what you want. So I select hip hop. Then it asks you what emotion do you want to design: motivational, happy, energetic, calm, sad, right? It's interesting. Select a happy song with a slow sound. Let me see how that sounds like. And there you have it. It's creating a track for you. All you have to do is sit, relax. In a minute, you'll be able to download it. You can download it, which is also good, so you can upload directly. But like I said, you don't get strike for this because it is royalty free, and that's basically it. So let's see what we have created so far. So let me play. And you can edit it, right? Whatever parts you want. Just make sure it's pretty good. Okay, so there you have it. Beethoven.ai. I'm gonna put all the link in the description so you don't have to worry about it. So the next tool is Flare.ai, and the idea of this is it allows you to create amazing branded visuals for your product, as you can see on the screen, right? All you have to do is to have the image of the product you want, and you describe exactly what it is that you want the product to be on. So for example, this is a bottle that's on top of a box with a green background, or in a what's it called, in a forest or whatever it is, and it will bring amazing visuals for you, right? It has a free version and it also has a paid version. So let's try it out. Okay, this is search. I'm just going to go back to the home page, right? And you create an account. I have created one already, but again, it's straight to the point. You can link it with your Google, which I do most of the time, or you just start from scratch and you create the account. And so let's give it a second to load. Yep, this is how the home page looks like. So you just create with Flare and you create your account. Once you've created your account, it takes you to a dashboard. And the dashboard looks like this. Okay, so what you want to do is let me reload this dashboard. So we start from scratch, and it's a really good tool for marketers, right, or designers that really want to create this out of the box or out of the ordinary visuals that will attract prospects, customers, or the likes, right? And you get to use it free of charge. So it's a really good tool. So this is it. That's how you create your account. So let's create a new project. Okay, this is the one I created before. If you have your image, you can upload it, and yeah, so this is how it looks like. So let me try out this tool. I drag it over here, right? Then I want to generate. Then it asks you, you see, so this is two bottles on top of a natural hill in front of mountains and cloudy sky. So if I click on this two bottles, which is what I've selected, on top of a natural hill, I could just select on top of a natural hill, and you know, I could say on a white surface or a wooden surface. You could type in what you want, right? In fact, let me do that on top of let me say white wooden surface in front of, you know, soft shadow, sunlight, cream. I could say sunset in the background, right, with snow, right? So do you want render strength? Just leave all this, and yeah, there we have it. So let's check it out. Just a bit, you know, a little bit of playing around with it. Let's see the result is going to bring out in a minute now. This will be quite interesting. Let's see. Okay, so there we have it. Okay, this is, yep, almost there. Not perfect though, but it did still bring out the visuals we're looking for, right? So check it out. It's a really good tool, and the more specific you are, the better the quality. So let's see, second to the last tool, we have Scribble. This is one of my favorite. So easy. Please don't just ignore my drawing. Okay, so the idea of this is you can draw anything you want, and it basically will give you you know, the perfect rendition for it. So let me draw Okay, so let me say a muscular arm, and let's see what's going to bring out for my drawing. This was the previous one, a car, and what are that beautiful visuals out there. So let's see what this will bring out. This was the previous one, a monkey, and what are these wonderful visuals out there. So this is a muscular arm, and it did try, right? I mean, compared to what I drew, it's a miles ahead. So that's the idea. So the better, obviously, the more specific you are, the better it's going to be. So there we have it. So the last, but not the least tool is we have runwayml.com. So the idea of this, you can turn image, text to image, image to image. I think you can also turn text to video. So basically, yeah, you turn anything to everything. That's how it is. It's really, really nice tool. What I'm going to be doing now is I want to turn a video to another type of video. So you sign up, it's free, and once you've done that, it will take you to the dashboard. Now the dashboard looks something like this. This is a video I created, but I'm going to start again. Okay, so what you do is you give me a second. Let me cancel this right here. So you generate video, right? You have a lot of free trainings. You can check it out to make sure you can remove your background. You can turn image to image. You can train your generator. You can turn text to image, infinite. It's a lot, right? But let's just keep it simple for this one. We're going to generate a video, and yeah, basically what's going to ask you is to select upload a video. Okay, so you can upload over here, and I have 29 seconds left. I had originally 37 seconds for free. It's every month. You get that 37 seconds every month. So I'm gonna just select this. Okay, I don't need to, since I've already uploaded it, I just drag it over here, but you just upload it directly from your system. And yeah, friends, I'm gonna try this friends video. So what you're gonna do is, what style reference do you want, as it's asking you. So if you want, let's see, if you want image, presets, or prompts, right? Make presets or prompts. So if I select let me see, if I select space, for example, or rather, let me just put a prompt. So I could say in space near Mars. Okay, so let's check it out. To view styles, it moves all the way. It shows you 4 options, which is what I like, so you can be able to see which one you prefer before you actually generate, right? So it gives you 4 options. If I say generate this, and it's going to bring out the video in a couple of minutes. Let's wait a minute. And yeah, but it's only going to bring out 4 seconds, okay, because it's free. I think you get 4 seconds free of chat for every video for the free one, and the paid one obviously unlimited. But let's see how it goes. It's a really nice tool. Any minute now. Okay, we're ready. So let's play.
I just Marcel? Where are you going with that?
You see, so basically as if they are in space near Mars. Okay, so those are the 7 beautiful tools I've seen recently that I'm quite playing with. I hope you found this useful. I truly believe they are very, very useful. Check it out. Let me know your thoughts. If you have other videos, if you have other tools, put them in the description, and I'll check it out. Okay, hope you appreciated this video. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Cheers.